Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for that rapturous and spontaneous round of applause.
So spontaneous.
Yes, that's just what we do when we go on stage nowadays. Eruptions of applause. Now, we're going to start with a little song, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, it's a song that we wrote while you were just applauding then. Yeah. And you didn't know, by the way, we're mugging chickens.
We're mugging chickens, that's right.
You knew that.
If you didn't.
all knew that.
Right, this song is a little bit about our time. I don't know if you've noticed recently, but there's a lot in the news, in media, like about the 80s. It's in our fashion, it's in our culture, music. The 80s stuff is everywhere. Fashion as well. So therefore, we're going to sing a song about the 90s. Enjoy. Let's get some clicking going.
When the Spice Girls were on the scene
and Will Smith's rapping kept things clean,
we all laughed at Mr. Bean
and OJ killed his wife.
I missed that part.
Well done,
Dem habt ihr Bock gehabt.
Sprayed ourselves with cans of Binks.
And who remembers Jar Jar Binks? Try not to remember Jar Jar Binks or Rwandan genocide.
What about Pokemon?
Everyone liked Pokemon.
No one liked Digimon.
Freddie Mercury died of AIDS.
What?
Oh no, we did, yeah. It's well documented. Google it.
Emails and pages, the birth of internet banking.
I remember push pops and continuously wanking. Don't you remember push pops? Don't push me.
Push.
He remembers push pops.
What about computer bugs?
Macaulay Culkin taking drugs. Michael Jackson's naked hugs and sucking Clinton's penis.
Stop it!
Stop it!
What the fuck are you doing? This is meant to be a song about the 90s.
This is a song about the 90s.
Yeah, it's meant to be fucking jovial.
There's nothing jovial about the 90s. And we all know that.
You've got one more chance, right? We'll do the chorus.
Okay, chorus.
The 90s, they were like the 80s, the 90s, Nintendo 64, that's right. The 90s, years before the noughties, the 90s, Princess Diana died. Enjoy the show, guys. Cheers.